Zartek has a wide selection of both professional and recreational license-free two-way radios. They are robust and provide clear communication in the African bush. A new model from Zartek is the TX2. Small, compact, great audio, and excellent value.
Copy you, loud and clear.
Signal coverage depends on terrain. In built-up areas, the signal gets blocked by structures and dense obstacles. Expected coverage is 600 to 1200 meters. In factories and warehouses. Outdoors, the signal propagates well, and coverage improves. The radios can communicate 2 to 6 kilometers depending on trees and hills, such as in farming and nature reserves. Further distances of 10 to 30 kilometers can be reached in ideal elevated line of sight conditions. A magnetic mount car antenna is recommended for increasing signal in vehicle convoys. Zartek radios are suitable for heavy-duty daily use in mining, construction, security, and agriculture, as well for communication at events, camping, and commercial activities. Zartek, any place, any purpose.